Hey, what's going on out there, everybody? Rooster here in Tennessee, looking at another piece of equipment today. This is one of many mobile amps that we're going to be listing. I bought these off a guy yesterday. Picked up a bunch of mobile amps all together, so we're going to be trying to move these things. This one's a Red Devil 350 high drive. Now, the preamp on it, when I turn it on, the radio gets more static, but when I test it with a signal, it does less signal with the preamp on. So I'm going to say the preamp doesn't work. If you get it and it does work, hey, hats off to you. That's just a bonus for you. But this thing, I do believe, has Toshiba Red Dot 2879s in it. I can take the lids off and verify that. If somebody wants to know, I can send you an inside picture of it. Does have an added fan on it, and they have put some additional wire on it here. So the wire that's been extended to it's a little bit bigger than what comes out the back of it. And we're just clipped on to the ends of it over here. It's got some terminals on the end. We're just clipped onto those. But Red Devil HD 350. I'm going to be driving it with my old faithful Gump Tune Cobra 19 here. He gave this thing to me as a gift. Long time ago, final went out on it. We just got a final put back in it. It had the stock final from 1970, 1980, whatever. So I'm going to try to use it to test some of these mobile amps with. Nice little radio, and I'll eventually put it back in my truck. But that's it, the HD 350. Now we're going to test it with my 90 amp power supply sitting over here. And we'll test it on low. We are on peak. We've got a 1000 watt slug in here right now. There's the 1000 watt slug. And over there's our peak kit, which is turned on. Bird 43P as always, looking at the bottom scale. Cobra 19 into the Red Devil. Yeah, roger, right on. We're on peak and we're on low. Roger, right on. Bottom scale. Roger, right on. Looking at our amp meter over here, we're drawing about 12 amps. Hello, radio, audio test, audio test, audio test, audio test, audio test. A little over 200 watts peak. Let's go over here, Red Devil, turn it on high, go back. Audio, test one, test one, test one, test one, test one, test one, test one. Looks like about 275 or so. 260, hello, radio, radio. That's a little bit beyond, let's see, 20, 40, 60, 80. So each little hash mark is 80 watts, so we're going to call that about 260 watts peak. Audio, and it's drawing 16 amps. Audio test. Hello, audio, 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 audio. 15 and some change. Now my voltmeter goes a little crazy when we key down. I don't know if it gets RF in it or what, but we're probably realistically around 14 volts. It idles at 14 and a half, so probably 14 to 14 and a half idle voltage there. Let's turn this off and let's do average power. Let's see. Key it up here, we're still on high. Hello, audio. Almost 100 watts average. Audio. 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 Right at 100 watts average on high. Let's go over here and go to low. Hello, radio. Hello, radio. Hello, radio. Over 50 watts average on low. So that's about right. Peak power being about 2.5 times average power. 250, 260. Let's see. I guess that's about it, guys. Red Devil HD 350. Does have the added fan on it here. I tell you, if you're just wanting to talk around local and stuff and talk a little bit of skip out of your mobile, I run a 2-pill out of my truck right now, and if you could ask my locals, they'll tell you I talk everywhere. I run a Serio 5000, a Smooth 160 2-pill, and as recently I've been running a Striker 94, and you know, a 2-pill gets you just about anywhere you want to talk local. I can talk 35, 40 miles pretty regularly over here in the hills of Tennessee. So that's it, guys. Red Devil HD 350 makes somebody a nice little amp. If you're interested in this one, let me know. Shoot me a text, 423-299-3535, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. More amplifier videos coming up, more used amps coming up. Just stay tuned. Appreciate the views, the support, and especially appreciate the business. Rooster in Tennessee. See you, bye.